Philippines' premier B2B beauty trade show, the Cosmo Beauty Philippines 2025.
To thank Informa Markets for organizing this event and for continuously supporting businesses in the beauty, personal care, and wellness industries. We are definitely supporting our private sector partners from buyers, distributors, and trade associations. Let me also emphasize that we need partnerships, we need collaboration, and we need all of you here to believe in the potential of the Filipino products, especially that in the beauty industry. On behalf of the Department of Trade and Industry and the Philippine government, I extend my warmest congratulations to all the participants, exhibitors, and organizers of the Cosmo Beauty Philippines.